Hi, Assalamualaikum. We get back to our English class. Today, our topic is about countable versus uncountable quantifiers. Okay, so without waiting, let us. Okay, I believe that you already know what is countable and uncountable. Countable noun is benda-benda yang boleh dikira. Uncountable, benda ataupun apa saja di keliling kita that we cannot count. Yang ada un ni cannot, mean tak boleh. So usually benda yang tak boleh dikira ni, it is very small, dibuat daripada benda-benda yang kecil, yang halus ataupun cecair. Example, sugar. Sugar very small, right? The particle, bentuk dia tu sangat kecil. Salt, what is salt? Yes. What else? Milk. Milk also made from liquid, cecair. Benda-benda yang dibuat daripada cecair ni, we cannot count. Very simple. Ingat kat kepala, benda-benda yang dibuat daripada terhasil from a very small particle and also liquid ataupun udara, we cannot, udara or gases, gas adalah benda-benda ataupun yang tak boleh dikira. Okay, so how about apple? Can you count apple? And another one, countable pula ialah benda yang memang you boleh kira, you boleh sebut. One apple, an apple, a book. You can say two books. You boleh cakap dua buku, something like that. So it is countable and uncountable. Okay, for today, thank you for Miss Hannah for making a very good video. I really interested with Miss Hannah explanation about countable and uncountable noun. So, I want you to watch this video. It is from Teacher Hannah. Video ni sangat bagus and I believe you can understand it better by watching this video. Okay? So, as usual, sambil tengok, kalau rasa nak berhenti, nak buat kerja, you pause the video. And then when you complete your work, nak tengok video balik, you restart the video. Okay, let us start now. Watch the video. Enjoy watching.
Assalamualaikum. So today, you're going to learn about quantifiers. Are you ready? Let's get started. Now, kindly refer to your textbook, page 55. So today, we're going to do exercise 4. But before that, you need to know, number 1, what is countable and uncountable nouns. Number 2, several rules on how to use quantifiers. Jadi hari ini, sebelum kita buat exercise 4, saya akan ajar kamu tentang countable dan uncountable nouns. Dan juga beberapa peraturan menggunakan quantifiers.
Okay, please watch this video, okay? You watch the video dan cuba fahamkan. Very simple, countable and uncountable word nouns. Teacher dah ajar sebenarnya masa year 4. So, this is the revision. And enjoy watching.
Assalamualaikum. So today you're going to learn about quantifiers. Are you ready? Let's get started. Now, kindly refer to your textbook, page 55. So today, we're going to do exercise 4. But before that, you need to know, number 1, what is countable and uncountable nouns. Number 2, several rules on how to use quantifiers. Jadi hari ni sebelum kita buat exercise 4, saya akan ajar kamu tentang countable dan uncountable nouns dan juga beberapa peraturan untuk menggunakan quantifiers dengan betul. Countable noun refers to the item that you can count. Bermaksud boleh dikira. For example, sandwich. You can count sandwich. 1 sandwich, 2 sandwiches, 3 sandwiches, and then burgers, pancakes, cookies, all of them can be counted. Semuanya boleh dikira. On the other hand, uncountable nouns are the things that cannot be counted. Maksudnya tak boleh dikira. For example, milk and water. Susu dan air kita tak boleh kira. And then sugar. Gula pasir ada banyak sangat. Jadi kita tak boleh nak kira satu-satu. So it become uncountable. And then meat, fruit, bread. All of these cannot be counted. Kesemua ini adalah contoh yang tidak boleh dikira.
Okay, so you already watched the video. Senang kan faham? Miss Hannah is a very good teacher. Dia punya explanation, I really love her explanation. Mudah faham. So now, please get your module. Go to page number 14. What you have to do is, number 1, if you look at this, okay, you can find what you are going to do is number 1, okay, this one. Write the words below under the correct groups. Okay, if you, as you can see, yang kita boleh nampak, perkataan-perkataannya ada kat sini. Apple, juice, egg, bread, pasta, sweet, water, and snack. Okay, then you have to write, let's say, apple. So you have to find out apple is countable or uncountable. Like what I told you before, and also Miss Hannah bagi tu tadi apa? Countable, boleh dikira. Uncountable, cannot count. So apple, which group? Countable or uncountable? So you write. Sampai habis. So you have to group. You have to write the words into the correct group. Okay, ada berapa ni? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ada 8 words. So you have to write all words into the correct group. Okay, bread, countable or uncountable? Senang je, bukan susah. Okay, and then rules. Ingat satu undang-undang for countable and uncountable. The rules is, okay, dia kata apa? Countable, kita boleh guna a or an. Dan dia, okay, and plural forms. Kalau benda yang boleh dikira ni, dia boleh jadi singular, dia boleh jadi plural. Maksudnya kalau satu biji apple, an apple. Macam mana kita tahu plural? Kita tahu plural bila belakang tu ada huruf S. Okay, let's say gini. Book. Ada satu je kan, book. Book. Okay, kalau lebih daripada satu buku, kita letak books. So, untuk benda boleh dikira, kita boleh buat in singular form or plural form. Okay, tapi kalau uncountable yang tak boleh dikira ni, walaupun dia banyak, okay, banyak macam mana pun, dia kekal sebagai ejaan singular. Apa tu teacher? Let's say sugar. Sugar kan banyak kan? But then, sebab dia tak boleh dikira, sugar ni, ejaan dia akan kekal sebagai sugar, tak ada tambahan S, tak boleh ditulis dalam plural, dia kekal sebagai singular. Faham? Good. Okay, next, activity 1, page number 14, number 2, look at the picture and complete the sentences. Okay, senang je, tak susah, very easy. You look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 words. You have to write it into the correct picture, correct group. Okay, uncountable and countable. Okay, first, meats. Can we count meats? Ingat lagi tak nota yang Miss Hannah bagi? Dia kata meat. Meat tu daging. Daging boleh dikira tak? Ingat balik. Try to remember back. Okay. Dekat nota yang dia ajar tadi, meat. Meat uncountable or countable. Ingat, okay. For uncountable, yang ada un ni bermaksud tidak. Okay, understand? So, complete this one. We continue to next. Okay, so this is the notes. Yang ini nota ni kena salin dalam buku. Buku apa? English 2. Okay, it's okay. I will share you this picture Later, teacher akan masukkan gambar ni salin dalam buku. Buku apa? Buku itu. Kena salin sebab nanti kita nak rujuk masa kita buat kerja. Understand? Okay, next. Dah siap salin kan? Then we go. Okay. Next, we will learn about quantifiers. The quantifiers that we are going to learn are some, any, much, many, a lot of. So, kat sini, for countable and uncountable, we will use different quantifiers. Apa itu quantifiers? Ialah yang menunjukkan quantity. Teacher, mana boleh kira countable? Yes, that's why you have to watch this video. Okay, you have to watch this video so that you boleh tahu bila kita nak guna some, bila kita nak guna any, when we are going to use much, when we are going to use many and a lot of. Ada 5 kat sini kita belajar quantifiers. Okay, by watching this video, sama kita belajar daripada Miss Hana. Miss Hana has a very good explanation about quantifiers for countable and uncountable. So, please watch the video carefully dan cuba fahamkan. Okay? It's okay. Don't worry. If you don't understand, kita boleh ulang balik tengok video ni. You record, you hantar. Kai dah record kan, nanti you tengok. Okay? That's all for today. What I want you to do is sambung video ni. Bukan that's all for today. Silap. Sambung video ni. Okay? I will start the video now.
Now, let's learn how to use quantifiers correctly. The quantifiers that we're going to learn are many, much, any, some, and a lot of. Rule number 1, we use much with uncountable nouns. Uncountable tidak boleh dikira. Jadi kita akan gunakan much bersama dengan uncountable nouns. Rule number 2, we use many with countable nouns. Kita akan gunakan many bersama dengan countable nouns, iaitu benda yang boleh dikira. Rule number 3, we often use any, much and many in questions and negative sentences. Kita akan kerap menggunakan any, much and many dalam bentuk soalan dan juga ayat-ayat negatif. For example, any, in questions, have you got any cheese? In negative sentence, there isn't any cheese. Bermaksud, cheese itu tiada. Jadi, ia adalah ayat negatif. Many, in questions, how many cupcakes have we got? In negative sentence, we haven't got many cupcakes. So, kat sini, dia nak cakap dia ada tapi tak banyak cupcake tu. Jadi, ayat tu adalah ayat negatif. Much, in questions, how much honey have we got? In negative sentence, we haven't got much honey. Bermaksud, kuantiti madunya ada tetapi sudah tidak berapa banyak. Jadi, ia adalah ayat negatif. Rule number 4, we use some, any and a lot of with countable and uncountable nouns. To simplify everything, you can refer to this table. We use many for countable nouns, we use much for uncountable nouns, any, a lot of, and some can be used for both countable and uncountable nouns. Next, let's look on how the quantifiers are normally used in sentences. For many, much, and any, they are usually used in negative sentences and questions. Kebiasaannya, many, much, and any kita guna dalam bentuk soalan ataupun ayat-ayat negatif seperti contoh yang telah ditunjukkan sebelum ini. For some and a lot of, we usually use them in affirmative sentences. Some dan a lot of biasa kita guna dalam ayat positif. For example, we have got some carrots, there are a lots of onions. Dalam kedua-dua ayat ini, kita tahu bahawa kita ada carrots dan kita ada banyak onions. Jadi kat situ menunjukkan ayat yang positif. Textbooks page 55. Exercise
So, as you can see tadi kita dah belajar kan? Okay, many, much. Many for countable, much for uncountable. And you have to remember some, sedikit, a lot of, banyak. Some and a lot of boleh digunakan dalam uncountable and countable. Okay, nampak tak? That's why I told you kena salin nota. Nota tu, you will refer to answer this activity. Okay. So, any ialah bila kita nak tanya soalan. Do you have any sugar? Do you have some sugar? Do you have any book or do you have any apples? Okay, kalau tak ada kita cakap no, I don't have any. Maksudnya tak ada. Okay, so kalau much untuk yang tak boleh dikira, sebab tu orang cakap I love you very much because love tak boleh dikira. Okay. But when you say I have many books, saya ada banyak buku. Buku boleh kira. That's why kita guna many. And then some tu kalau sedikit. Some sedikit kita boleh guna kepada uncountable and countable. Tadi Miss Hana dah cerita kan? Okay. And then for a lot of boleh guna kepada kedua-dua, uncountable and countable. Yang boleh kira, tak boleh kira, boleh guna a lot of bila menunjukkan benda itu banyak. Let's say, I have a lot of cakes. I have a lot of sugar. Understand? So, activity 2, you have to go to your module, page number 15. Okay, look at page number 15. Okay, the language focus are some, any, much, many, and a lot of. So, this one, ada tadi Miss Hana dah ajar dalam video. So, you can find the video, check balik, ada jawapannya. Okay, understand? So, circle the correct answer. Bulatkan jawapan yang betul dalam undang-undang penggunaan some, any, much, many, and a lot of. And then, complete question number 1 with until 5 with much and many. Ya Allah, senang kan? What I told you just now, much untuk uncountable yang tak boleh dikira. Kita tengok dulu bendanya apa, boleh kira ke tidak. And then many for benda yang boleh dikira. Example, how meat. Kita tengok apakah benda yang dicakap kat situ. Kat sini apa bendanya? Apa bendanya? Tengok meat. Ingat lagi Miss Hana tulis tadi. Meat countable ke uncountable? So kalau you kata meat tu uncountable, so bila uncountable, what I told you just now, kalau uncountable kena guna much. So you pun tulislah much. And then number 2, how? Apa dia punya benda yang kita cakapkan tu, yang kita nak tahu dia countable ke uncountable? Ayat kedua apa dia? It is vitamin. So vitamins countable or not countable? So siapkan 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tengok nota. Ada nota tadi teacher suruh salin. So when you want to answer this question, you have to refer to the note. Okay. Activity number 3. Very simple. Okay, activity number 3 is you have to write sentences using some, any, much, many, and a lot of. I eat some. Tadi some teacher kata apa? Some boleh guna untuk countable dan juga uncountable. Saya makan tapi some sedikit. A lot of banyak. Okay? Nampak? So, you have to write your sentences. Buat sendiri. Cuba. Okay? I eat some vegetables every day. Nampak? Dia buat ayat. I eat some vegetables every day. Okay? So, cuba buat ayat tu. Okay? Very simple. Okay, and then you invite 3 friends for a celebration at your house. Write a shopping list for the food and drink you want to buy. Shopping list. Alah, list yang mak kita bawa pergi kedai kalau nak beli barang tu. So, bila shopping list, you have to write, let's say, kena guna quantifiers. Let's say you write some. Ada 3 orang nak datang kan? Some sweet. Sedikit gula. Kena guna quantifiers. Ataupun many cakes. Okay? Tulis apa barang awak nak beli, but then you have to use the quantifiers. Cuba. Okay, don't worry. If you don't understand, you can ask me. Tanya je teacher. Teacher ada ni. Okay? So, please submit your work to me before 9 o'clock tonight macam biasa. But if you have problem sakit ke kat luar kawasan sebab kat rumah nenek tak bawa buku, please inform me. Bagi tahu teacher cepat-cepat. Okay? That's all for today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.